guns, you just always want to be careful. Has a good, see in the front right?
Yep.
Yeah, I don't think it's that, actually.
And look, they're the same.
Not gonna be around forever, Chuck.
Yeah, they're just studs. So these are going to be your stud holes. So I would just sit on your butt or on your knees. Get like one of the studs started. So you should be able to set it right on here.
Yeah, don't strip it.
Go ahead and start the other ones. Yeah, I just think
You done yet?
clips like
Just kidding, son. Ooh!
Alright, should I just snug it up and then?
Yeah, snug it up.
a little bit. That's perfect like that. There you go. So then when you do this, just once you get them snug like that, it's nice and easy because they'll get real tight. I usually just go crisscross.
Just like you're tightening a drum head.
Just go back.
All right. Why would they do that? Is it to protect the logo?
Yeah, it just makes them look better, I think.
Wow.
How they look, Pico? They look nice and thick.
All right. That one's good to go.
This piece right here.
Looks like it's just a guard
Yeah,
for
that's all that is. It's just a back
keeping
plate.
shit out of there or something. Oh, you gotta stop driving over them curbs, son.
Yeah, no, it's okay.
All right. You see anything obvious there, Chuck?
Oh yeah, it's pretty low. So now we just got to see if we can, and the rotor's pretty messed up, but we'll just change the path.
Can you feel it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Man, I wish we could have got that rotor.
Well, the good news is we're going to do it. And then later, I just drive it. I don't know how to get them back far enough to get them on.
Okay.
I'm hoping it retracts all the way.
Okay.
Well, there's only one way to find out, so.
Whoa.
I'm gonna try it. See what happens.
Do we need to open up the master cylinder or
Cap?
yeah?
Not yet. Well, you can, Brett. You can. That off. They look like
Yeah.
hooked in there.
There.
I'm assuming the whole thing should be able to just come right off. Oh, yeah. We gotta turn that thing in. Okay, let's see here. It just basically goes like this, and we probably want to double check to make sure you got pads. So you want to grab your rear pads and make sure you got the right ones. See, I think. So, these are the new ones, right?
Punchers push back. We are good to go.
Let's see. Do I have to line that? No. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah, good. Some of these stupid things have dots. And you have to line them marks up with them. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Would you look at that?
We got it.
I'm not gonna say anything until it's done. That one a lot easier than I thought. Oh,
Yeah. Well, that's because we didn't take it all apart. That don't look like a star, but this worked. I want to see if one of these will work though.
Alan.
Off the problem, so I should be able to work it, you know what I mean? I don't know what the back are. They're probably not even 20.
Is that a special kind of lube there, Chuck?
Yeah, it's just, it helps the sliders slide. They're not really that bad. And usually I should have probably put some on that piston, but seems it's the back, I think it'll be all right. It just keeps the chatter down. And these will help it slide because as the brakes wear out, the sliders have to move. So as the brakes wear down, the sliders will move with that whole unit right here.
So are you gonna torque that down or just to go by feel?
I might put like 20 pounds on it. Oh, maybe 18. I didn't see no torque specs for the rear. I see them for the front. The rear's usually less. I could have probably just snuggled with my hand, really.
All the technology that they have in these tires, and they got that fucking.
Did you see how loose that was until we put that clip on there?
Yeah.
Goofy.
Wow. Excuse my French, son. How's that one look?
Better. Just a little bit on the back.
All right.
You want me to do it? It's not the right one.
You gotta pull those caps off the back.
I got them already.
We did? Okay.
There you go. I'd probably loosen the other one before you take that one out. Just to make sure.
Yeah, and that way it won't get torqued too. kind of a bugger, so.
I think it's easier to go like this.
Nice.
Exactly, that's a good way to do it. So sometimes when you're taking it off, take it off and, and lay all the parts down like they go on there so you don't forget. So maybe try to pry it up right there. Usually this pries up and then you push it upwards.
Then you can work both sides and kind of even it out, loosen it up. There you go, nice.
When you're doing this, you always want to be ready for something to happen.
To pop or?
Yeah, because then you'll end up with a piece that might.
Yeah, off the back. Yeah, give it a tap.
Yeah, just tap the back. Right there you go. Just give her a little flapper.
She's coming. There you go.
What they say, whack that pee-pee.
Bailiff, whack that pee-pee. Get your goddamn hands off me. Hallwinkle. Are you Lester Hallwinkle?
Front side. Okay. And then you just try to line it up on the holes. Right. If it doesn't go on, then I'll get it on and then you can crank it in. Because it might give us the same problem.
That one shouldn't be sticking out as far though, right?
Shouldn't be. See, you got a lot. You don't have much pads left. It's a bitch. Oh, excuse my French.
God damn it, Chuck. Here we go. Nice.
We probably want to turn the nut part first.
The neck.
Yeah.
That's not going on the hole.
Oops.
Yeah, I don't know if you're gonna have enough room to.
Is it not going to try to get it? I'll get it started for you.
Yes.
You got it.
Yeah, I got her.
I'll give it a whirl anyway.
Just one of those things where sometimes technique will get the job done.
Yeah.
Even though, you know, the. Whoa, are those vultures up there circling? Holy smoke, son. I think they're eyeballing us. We're not dead yet.
See if I can get it on there a little, and then we can maybe.
Alright, well, I got that son of a bitch in there. Yep.
When you're doing this, you gotta keep this thing kind of tight.
Oh yeah. That plunger's dropping in there like there's cold water on her.
I took the thunder. Okay, you can put the brake
All right,
pads
look at
on.
that sucker on there. Put it over there. Okay, good job.
pull that on, and then we'll pull the sliders off and move them a little.
Do we gotta lube the brakes at all?
No.
Like the back of them?
Nah, I wouldn't worry about it on this. This is the front, I'd be a little more.
Is that what you guys do with the caliper?
Yeah, push them
Nico?
all the way back. You're gonna have
Yeah,
to push.
your ball check there. So much
all
on the back. That one doesn't want to go back, does it? You should be able to push it back. Gotta use the muscles.
Oh yeah. So go ahead and pull once you get it on there. Pull one slider. Usually what I do when you're putting them on is try to go down and then over. You're good. You definitely want to make sure you get these on straight. Not straight. I'm just gonna put a little on the front so you don't get things. This is where it gets critical. Just dribble. You're done.
D-U-N.
Sometimes when you first put them on, you can just use the socket so you can feel it. Just make sure they don't strip. It's right there. Might be easier to get the top one started because you won't have a hose in your way. Yeah, if there's any bind, you want to screw it back and forth. Feel it snug up. Let's get real good. More. This takes time to learn. I've tightened so many things.
Yeah.
A lot of times I'll put Loctite on these, but I never used to. When I was your age, I used to do this without torque wrenches. And I was just living high on the craziness. But once you go ahead and throw them back on. Once this thing compresses, it gets so much pressure on it, them things will never come loose.
Nice.
Two-stage on the torque. There we go. And then push that one in and under at the same time.
That's what I'm talking about, technique, because, I mean, some things are just like, you learn that little technique and it becomes so easy.
Better. That's okay though. So that's 60. So what I do, this is going to be the first pass. Go ahead and do the other ones. Whoop, oh, shit.
Whoa. That's a fun little game, huh?
We'll go 60. Remember, don't tighten it all the way until you go around and snug everything. That one might be good, and that one we snugged up pretty good, so you could probably do the full 60. It's just if you start doing it and you notice they're loose.
You just want to keep in mind, you want everything to tighten up equally all the way around.
You want to hear that thing click. We're going to take it up to 88. See, we're at 80.
Those videos where people lose their wheels, they're not verifying.
You should be able to go right now, just so you know, I missed one of these steps one time. I was going to work and my wheel was almost falling
Right. What's going on here?
You always want to take it back down to 0 when you store them. So if you ever get a torque wrench, especially these style, not so much the electric style, but I always take it as far down. See, like this starts at 20, then I just turn it back to 0.
And that should retain the calibration for a lot longer than having the tension on it.
Yep, way quicker.
Yes.
Give her old spin a river, baby. Like I say, with that rotor being like that, you may hear a little growling, you know.
All right.
I don't think you'll hear much.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Sweet. That Uncle Chucky works some magic, doesn't he? Okay. Oh, man. Yeah. Yeah, you can turn right here and then take it to the end of the neighborhood and around, and then you could stop and just check it out. What are you trying to do here? Well, show me how you want to start it.
I was gonna pull on something, but I don't know what to pull on.
Okay, well, go ahead and set it back down on the ground, baby.
Oh, okay. Got it. I put it on prematurely. Okay, hold on. Now I know. See?
Okay.
This. I
All right.
this, but what do I hold?
Put your foot on that little lip down there, that little platform.
This?
See this right here? Put your foot right there.
Oh, that.
Mm-hmm.
Got it.
All right.
And then push it.
It might start because it still should be warm. Go ahead and give it a try.
Oh.
Come on, you can do it. Pull it like you're mad at it. There you go. All right. See that? Woo! That's a woman right there. Good job. Woo! Woo!